Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Healthy Hair 101, back with another video to help you achieve those luscious locks. Today, I want to talk about a DIY banana hair mask that will nourish your hair from root to tip. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bananas are for eating, right? Well, turns out they're not just a tasty snack. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals that can do wonders for your hair. So let's break it down. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps to strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. They also contain natural oils that moisturize your scalp and hair, leaving it soft and shiny. Plus, bananas are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, which promote healthy hair growth and protect your strands from damage. Now let's get into the recipe. All you need is one ripe banana and a tablespoon of honey. Mash the banana until it's smooth and then mix in the honey. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends where it tends to be the most dry and damaged. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Now let's talk about how this mask affects your hair health. The banana and honey combination provides deep hydration, making your hair more manageable and less prone to frizz. It also helps to repair any damage caused by heat styling or chemical treatments. And the best part? It's all natural and free of harsh chemicals, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. I've personally tried this mask, and let me tell you, the results were amazing. My hair felt softer, looked shinier, and had a healthy bounce to it. Plus, it smelled delicious. So, if you're looking for a simple and affordable way to nourish your hair, give this DIY banana hair mask a try. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. So make sure you're also taking care of yourself by eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.